So if you look at the three pillars of that interaction, which is the patient, the medical provider, as well as the insurance company, it's a triangle that's complex and leads, leads to pendulums going to one end to another, and I've alluded to that in other episodes. That is why the pendulum is going back and forth. Normally, if there was no third party, what you would see is just like you see with any other industries, improving service at a lower cost, right? I mean, if you look at what you're paying for a lot of services, what you see as efficiencies and technology sets in, what it would take to do the same thing 10 years ago, 5 years ago, it's probably gotten better. Commodities and prices go up with inflation. But often what you find is, the kind of television you could have bought 10 years ago versus the kind of television you can buy today, for the same amount of money, you are getting not the same product. And that is market forces, driving that. So you get better value, better technology at a better price. And that's what happens when I don't think you need an MBA from Wharton to understand this. When you are paying for a service and someone's providing you the service and it's just the two of you doing that interaction, there are market forces that drive that in ways that could never, ever be driven when someone else is picking up the tab. So now that we've set that groundwork, then let's talk about how that impacts those three groups, which is the provider, the patient, and the insurance company.